We begin with the report that the suspected fraud kingpin, Mr. Fred Ajudua, last week Wednesday asked the Lagos High Court in Ikeja for a fresh bail. Mr. Ajudua's counsel, Mr. Olalekan Ojo, filed a fresh bail application before a vacation judge, Justice Ganiyu Safari. The accused person had earlier been denied bail by Justice Olubunmi Oyewole, who presided over his trial. Justice Oyewole had ruled that Ajudua failed to present convincing materials to back his claim that he would not jump bail and abandon his trial. In arguing the fresh application for bail, Ajudua's lawyer said there were fresh facts which emerged after his client was last denied bail by Justice Oyewole. According to the lawyer, the accused person was rushed to the emergency unit of the Lagos University Teaching Hospital when his condition deteriorated. But the EFCC, through its counsel, Mr. Wemimo Ogunde, has opposed the application and argued that Ajudua would jump bail like he did in 2005 when he was granted bail on health grounds. Justice Safari has adjourned till September 10 for ruling on whether or not to grant the bail application. And from there we move straight to politics. A Taraba High Court last week granted an order for leave to hear a suit filed by Governor Dambaba Suntai against the Speaker and members of the Taraba State House of Assembly. The court in its ruling also granted an accelerated hearing and abridged to 5 days the time for the defendants to appear and to file their response to Governor Suntai's suit. In the suit, the governor wants the court to determine whether by virtue of Section 190 subsection 2 of the 1999 Constitution, the Speaker and the Taraba State House of Assembly can by a press release or debate interfere with the letter transmitted to the Speaker of the Assembly pursuant to the provisions of the Constitution. The governor seeks a declaration that the letter is absolute and cannot be debated or contradicted by any means. He also wants an order declaring null and void the move by the Speaker and the House of Assembly, directing the Deputy Governor of Taraba State, Alhaji Umar Garba, to continue as acting governor of the state. Justice Ali Andenyangso has fixed the 12th of September for the hearing of the suit.
With all other indulgences pleaded.
From Taraba crisis to the PDP crisis, a federal high court sitting in Abuja and presided over by Justice Elvis Chukwu last week Friday turned down the request of the People's Democratic Party PDP faction led by Alhaji Bamanga Tuko seeking to stop the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) from recognizing, dealing and relating with the Abubakar Baraje faction of the party.
We must at all times.
Justice Chukwu also refused the request by the Tuko faction, seeking to restrain the Baraje faction from parading themselves as national officers of the party and from operating or opening a parallel national, state, local government area and ward secretariat of the party, pending the suits. The judge, however, granted an ex parte injunction, putting the Baraje Oyinlola faction on notice, and subsequently adjourned the case to September 12 for accelerated hearing. In another development, 5 state chairmen of the People's Democratic Party in the Southwest last week Thursday asked the Federal High Court in Abuja to order INEC to cancel the registration of the newly registered People's Democratic Movement (PDM). The state chairmen of the PDP in Lagos, Ogun, Ondo, Osun and Oyo State want the courts to determine whether by the combined effect of Section 224 of the Constitution, as amended, Paragraph 15 of the Third Schedule to the Constitution, and Section 78 subsection 5 and 7 of the Electoral Act 2010, INEC can validly register PDM as a political party when the patent purpose for which such registration was sought was to destabilize the PDP. And we round off with the report that the Lagos High Court sitting in Ikeja will on Monday the 9th of September hear yet another suit filed on the PDP crisis. Last week Monday, Justice Safari Ganiyu granted the Baraje group leave to sue the Bamanga Tuku National Working Committee of the party. The suit filed by Alhaji Baraje and 2 other officials of the new PDP is also asking the court to restrain Alhaji Bamanga Tuku, Chris Uche Secondus, Mrs. Kema Chikwe, Chief Olisa Metu, and other officials of the party from parading themselves as officials of the PDP.